What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are on video 3 of the install of the Vicrez Demon wide body kit, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the front flares. So first, obviously, jack up the car, take off the rims and tires, have a little safety just in case. And first step is going to be, we're going to sort of need to get behind here so we can take off the light and put in the new light. So we're obviously to do that, we're going to take off these screws here, and then obviously again, just how we did the rears, we're going to start from the bottom corners and then work our way up. So we'll get rid of these two screws here so that way our little corner piece can sit right there, and then we have a good starting point. So let's get to it, and let's take these screws off right here. Alright, now that you have a good enough opening, just go ahead, stick your hand in there, and you're just going to really push. Obviously, you know, I'll show you from the outside, but you're going to push on one side of the turn signal to pop it out. As you can see here, you basically with the hand just have to close this part right here. Pops right out. So we'll go ahead and unplug that, and then we will plug in our new turn signal and then see how that fits, and then we could start on this side and then we'll do the other corner. Alright, here we are. Here's our new piece right here. Again, fairly simple. Just go ahead and plug it back in. Alright, now that's in place, just go ahead and go the opposite way first. Put that in. Okay, we're in. Alright, and then we're just going to sort of test fit this piece again one more time. Again, very simple. Just goes in just like that. So you're just going to remove, but you're just going to really need this bolt to hold in the corner piece. Alright, now that our corner pieces are in, let's bring the big flare, and then we will again test fit it one more time, make sure everything is fitting properly, and begin to prep our sections with alcohol. Alright, pieces are good. Let's just go ahead and prep our areas. Alright, both sides are in, as you can see there, and then here. I'm just going to heat up the panels real quick just to make them a little bit warm again, and then obviously heat up the tape on the flare, and let's begin to install it. Okay, so I repeated the same process on the left corner as I did on the right. Again, prepped it, cleaned it, started heating up the glue on this piece right here. That's a 7 mil. Put it back on, so this part is good to go, ain't going nowhere. And now it is time to install the flare. So again, I'm just going to make sure the area is kind of prepped, make sure that's 100%, and then we will go ahead and again warm up the glue and then begin the install. And I just wanted to point out one more time, guys, I did not cut the flares, so it is all still intact. Again, everything clears. Again, I went with a 20 by 11 with the -2 offset, so no rubbing issues, none whatsoever. Again, with the 275 tire in the front, but again, did not cut anything. So Alright guys, there is the finished product. So you can see it came out pretty nice. I'm gonna get this flare wrapped probably within the next day or two, and that should complete the project. So again, it seems to be holding up pretty good. I mean, it's on there, guys. I mean, I'm telling you, it's, you know, it's pretty good. I think this double-sided sticky tape is gonna work. I think one of the key points on this one is I didn't cut the flares. I don't think you need to. I already kind of fitted the tires on, so it cleared perfectly. No issues with that. So this is the final product. All right, I'm gonna give you guys one more video of the final reveal with the wheel and tire setup. So stay tuned for that one. In the meantime, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.